Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will start our online study session week 2. We will learn unit number 4, classification of living things. First of all, what is classification? It is a process in which scientists divide living things into groups or classes and giving them names. There are 5 groups in which living things are divided, also called kingdoms: prototists, prokaryotes, fungi, plants, animals. Here are some examples of each kingdom. Now, what is difference between vertebrates and invertebrates? Animals which have backbone are called vertebrates. For example, shark, frog, snake, hen, horse, humans. Whereas animals which do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, spider, ant, earthworm, housefly. Vertebrates are further divided into 5 classes: fish, amphibian, reptile, bird, mammal. Now we will see some characteristics of each class. Cold-blooded and warm-blooded. Animals which maintain their body temperature during every season are warm-blooded animals, whereas the animals which do not maintain their temperature in every season are called cold-blooded animals. So fish, amphibian and reptile are cold-blooded animals, whereas bird and mammals are warm-blooded animals. Their body covered with, in some kinds with scales, and in some kinds feather, and in some kind hair. Fish are covered with scales, amphibians are covered with moist slippery skin, reptiles are covered with dry skin covered with scales, and bird's body is covered with feathers, and mammal's body is covered with hair. Habitat: fish live and reproduce in water. Amphibian can live on land and in water. And reptiles, some live in water and some live on land. Birds mostly live on land and they fly in the air. Mammals most lived on land. Fish breathe through gills. Amphibians breathe through their skin and lungs, whereas reptiles, birds and mammals breathe through their lungs. Fish reproduce by laying eggs in the water. Amphibians reproduce by laying eggs in the water. Reptiles laying eggs on the land. And birds laying hard-shelled eggs on land. And mammals giving birth to live babies. There are some characteristical features of invertebrates. They have 3 or more pair of legs. For example, in insects, spiders, crabs, and others do not have any legs, like worms, mollusks, slugs. Some invertebrates have antennae or tentacles, while others do not have. Starfish do not have any kind of antennas or tentacles. Some have soft bodies like in jellyfish. Some have hard shells or exoskeleton to protect their soft bodies. Hard shells present in snail and exoskeleton present in ladybird. Moving towards worms. They have long tube-like body and no arms or legs. They are parasitic in nature, that they live in the body of other animals. And the habitat: worms lives in different kind of habitats, like in water, sea or fresh water. Sea water is salty water. On land or burrow underground. There are some benefit of worms who live in soil. They help to enrich it. They bring nutrients into the soil, and they also aerate into the soil, brings air into the soil. Insects. The body of insects is divided into 3 parts: a head, a thorax, and abdomen. They have 2 feelers or antennae that are used for smelling or feeling. They have 2 large eyes and 3 pairs of legs joined to their thorax. Bees, flies, and beetles have wings attached to the thorax. Their bodies are protected and supported by hard covering called chitin. Some insects are harmful, which destroy leaves, fruits, and seeds, while some cause diseases like mosquitoes and flies. They all are called pests. And there are some useful insects like honeybees and silkworm. Honeybee produce honey and silkworm produce silk. Some insects live in groups by colonies, and they are also called social insects. In a colony, there can be hundreds or even thousands of insects. Now, here are some questions. What are pests? Write characteristics of insects. Differentiate between vertebrates and invertebrates. What are cold blooded animals? Define classification. What kind of insects are useful? Write answers of these questions in your neat copies.